baci come cuore innamorato. Questo è l'alfabeto dell'amore.
Hey everybody, welcome to Thirsty Thursday. I'm Jamie and this is Ross with Tait Real Estate. And what are we making, Ross?
Today we're going to make the Moscow Mule. So the Moscow Mule was first invented in 1941 in Los Angeles, and it was a maker of vodka and a maker of ginger beer. Were having a difficult time selling their products, and so they got together and they invented this product. It's called the Moscow Mule. The copper mug, they needed a bit of a gimmick that would help them sell it, so they put it in a copper mug, and they got actors and celebrities to take pictures with it, and that became sort of famous. Some people think it's something to do with the oxidization that takes place with the ginger beer and the lime, but really the thermal properties of copper help keep it cold, and that's probably why they do it more than anything. So 1 ounce of vodka, and then we're going to put in half a lime squeezed, and it's really important to get lots of lime in there. At least I think it tastes better with it. And then we're going to top it off with the ginger beer. And that's why they call it a Moscow Mule. The Moscow part is for the vodka. The mule is for the kick that you get out of the ginger beer. And Jamie's being as patient as he can while I add the ginger beer into here. And then we're going to garnish it with a wedge of lime.
Ooh, that looks tasty.
All right, there you have it. The
Cheers.
Moscow Mule.
Ooh, got some kick.
Kick.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's good.